Hello, I'm Erdem Somuncu from Notilus Design. Today, together, we will just work on our Nautilus piping tool, and later on, with the model prepared with Nautilus piping, we will make the construction drawings. Nautilus piping is one of the 6 plugins software we have. And it's mostly used on ships, but also in used civil design, civil engineering. So with that, you can do equipment layouts, also 3D outfitting, and later on you can prepare the workshop drawings. So I will start with a model which we will also present you after the meeting. So let me share my screen. This is our starting model. So as I said, we will upload it in our site and give you the link. So we start with add equipment with Nautilus piping. You can manage your equipments, you can define your equipment, you can create your equipment library, and then later on install them to your model. To do that with MP add equipment, you reach the database of equipments. So you see all the equipments here. And here we will start with the fuel system and fuel transfer pump. I'm adding it into this foundation to just here. I will get the center of this tray. And now this is our pump. And with MP show equipment connections, you can see the equipment connections, which diameter and what is in which one is inlet and which one is outlet. So we can start with the outlet. The outlet will be transferred to this data. So with MP draw pipe, you can see the list of the drawings in the library, and you can choose appropriate tank, appropriate pipe, and materials. Here we have DN 40 outlet, so I will change this to DM40 and select press fit. I will use this one. So I'm creating this pipe up to this level, and I will go to this side, and at last I will connect this pipe to here. So it's connected, and I will add flange with MP add flange here. So I'm selecting the pipe and I'm selecting the position. Here is my flange. Afterwards, I want to add the valve here. This is my valve, and here I will add a press fit valve, and which is our material, stainless steel. So I also installed this here, so it's in place. So let's do the inlet side. It is DM50, so I will draw DM50 files here. I will select this pipe, and starting from this location, I will just go this side, and from top I will go to this manifolds, this branch. So here I am, and up to this point, and I change my C plane, and now it's there. So I will add again our valves here. Materials, it's already here. And I will connect these ones to these tank fittings. So I will start with again MP add pipe. I will start with this branch. I will go up nearly up to this line. So in the top view, I will go to here and I will paste this structure and I will connect it to here. It's now done. And the second one is, again, I will draw a pipe here. So I will start with here. I will go up. I will go till this line. I will penetrate the structure. And I will just go to this side. So I will come to this point, and lastly, I am here. So I will move it a little bit more to allow this pipe's route. So I can just easily pull it with dragging gumball. So now it's already here. We are here. So I will continue with the tank filling. Here is DM50. This is our filling station. So I will go to this line, up to this line, here and here. So I will make the second one, tank filling line here. Just I will go up here and I will give some distance to allow air vent to go here. So air vents are DM 65. So it asks me to select the pipes. Here I will go. Just yes. This is, and I can play with this easily. Yeah, it looks nice. And at the end I will add fitting air here to this pipe, and I want to add a vent head like this. I'm selecting this point and I am adding my flange underneath it. It's okay. And these are the fillings, and the filling caps can be easily installed here. So I will add also valves on here. Stainless steel again. This is the approach. And here I will add the same one. And it's all here. Now it's done. And so let's draw, let's convert these lines to pipes again. Now we are using MP make pipe command. With this, it asks us again with the same menu. It asks us the material and the properties. Here I want to make them the end 25, and normal I can make it fresh water. Yes, I can also change it to fresh water. So easily changing the layer, it automatically becomes at that system. Now they are two separate from them, and so with NS set this MP set distance command, I am selecting the reference pipes, and the other ones, it automatically makes them the distance according to the selected distance makes. So I will connect it to this manifold here. I am pushing them here, and they are all in place. Now there is a clash here. To remove that, we can easily jump over these pipes with NP jump pipes command. I'm selecting this tree. It's asking me the start point and the end point. It's automatically make the bridge to go over these pipes. And then lastly, we will put wives here. And I will just now put different body material PPR wires here. And here also I will select the same and make them in the same orientation. Yeah. Now they are also ready. I can adjust them like this. So our freshwater system is ready. So also with Nautilus piping, you can easily draw hoses with np connect hose command. Let's draw some hoses here. I'm selecting this connection here, and let's select this one. It's asking us the system. It's seawater system, and I can select some exhaust from here. So it is, say, this one. And also I can play with the curve inside and modify the hose like this. It's automatically modified with modifying the curves. So I will add, I will connect the other hoses, this one and this one. So it's done. And lastly, let's connect these ones again. That's right. And here our model is nearly ready. And also I will show you one more thing about our piping software. Here with piping, you can also model draftings with make np make channel. You can model the ventilation HVAC system. I'm selecting this one. It's asking me the channel dimensions. Here I will use a rectangular channel, so it's automatically put this. So it's also very easy to modify this. And also with you can do the HVAC channels in the pipe as pipes. I mean, you can model them with np make channel. Sorry, make channel. You can make them as circular pipes here. So the last one I will show you is np make cable trace. Here you can select these dimensions, and it automatically creates the cable trace, and you can also modify them easily. And this is the modeling side of the piping. It's really very easy to draw, modify, and also to take the bill of materials. For example, when you click here, you all see all the materials, how many elbows you used, how much pipe did you use, and all the hoses, valves. You can get them and you can copy them to other platforms. So after creating this model, we can do the workshop drawings with NotilusDrafting. And here you create the project with these parameters, and afterwards you select as active. Once you create the 3D model and the project, you simply go to the clipping plane tool here, and you start to save the views that you want to include in your drawing. So here, let's, for example, get a 2D of 2D view of this area. So I adjusted my clipping planes and I'm saving this view. I will draw the layout of freshwater. So I am selecting this freshwater system and this is the top view. I am selecting this view, it's saved. And later on, I will just get a view from this side to see this manifold and the valves. So I'm adjusting my clipping planes to here. And I'm saving my, sorry, not sections. I'm saving my scene. I will look to the port side like this. And this view is good for me, so I'm saving it. And one last thing I can get from here, for example, I can get a view from this bulkhead here. So I can also get the view of this bulkhead too. I'm saving this scene. I'm looking to front side and I'm saving this. After saving this views, we get the 2D drawings of these views. So to get that, I'm selecting here the freshwater system. These three are the ones we created now. Now I'm getting the 2D views of that. Now this is the one. These are the frame rulers for the views. It's asking us which scale do we need to use. And now it started to get the 2D of the drawings. So it's getting to 2Ds. And now while it's doing that, we can get a new Rhino file to insert these drawings. So here, let me check if it's finished. It's all finished. So after finishing this, we go to the empty file and we place the insert sections command. So here it's our views are stored here. I'm selecting them and they are all in place. They are in the drawing. Also, they are saved in a separate file in a local computer. Let me show the exact location of that. And system. Normally the files are stored here, so I'm opening this. You can also open and see the views here automatically, and you can easily get the dimensions of that scenes with dim auto command. Here we have only 3 freshwater pipes here, so it's all labeled and dimensioned. I'm saving this one. I will do the other ones here. I'm opening this one, so I will do the dim auto again. So they are all labeled and dimensioned. This is the one, last one. And here with dim auto. It's again completed. There are since there are 3 pipes, you can delete some of them and make it a little bit comfortable, this area, then they are saved. And if you go to a new file and insert them again, they will come with the labels and dimensions. So it's ready to be prepared, the workshop drawing. With here, I am selecting this one. And I am selecting these three. So they are all in place. And also the view positions are marked here. All the views are labeled according to these labels. So with ND create layout command, you can change this with piping system and say freshwater workshop drawing. Your layout is created with these wheels, and you can make little adjustments, and it's ready to be produced. And so basically it's all from our side. If you have any questions, you can ask via a message. It was a quick demo, but this is a very easy software to use. And this is
There is something about perspective to the road.
you can use the Rhino's capabilities to get the 2D the isometric views. For example, you can just maximize and get this and use that. Normally, we are using this NotilusDrafting tool for also our Steeler. In Steeler, it's also possible to get some other views like isometric views, but for piping, we are using the Rhino's Make 2D.
You can show manual lighting, dimensioning.
Yeah, normally you can also do manual labeling. For example, with here in leader mıydı?
Manual dimension actually.
In the manual dimension. Here, for example, you don't want to use these dimensions with any manual dimension. You can select here from these frames. So, for example, let's get dimension from frame. You want to get this, it automatically gets the nearest frame to at the dimension. Or you can make it from the center line, and here you can I select the center line, and it automatically gives all the dimensions from the center line.
Can also show the auto-generated dimension change location.
Şunu mu? Nasıl? Şeyle mi?
Dimension noktalarını.
Yeah, you can all play with the positions, and you can change all the labels like this.
They're also asking about exporting the bill of materials to Excel.
Sure. Here I can show you. This is our bill of materials. I am copying it, and I am opening a blank Excel file here. So I am pasting it. Or if it's a Rhino file, you can just import, and it's here. So you can use it in your drawing like this.
They are asking about.
Normally, yes, you can do it by manually. I mean, from the structure here. So you can do it manually, but it's not automatic. But you can give dimensions like this. Or if you, for example, move it here as your structure, it automatically, let's select from reference line here. I'm sorry, it's center line. It's center line, let's say. It automatically finds the nearest center line curve. You can do something like this. If you don't have any questions, we can finish the meeting. Sorry, line numbers can be also. For now, no, we don't have labeling for lines. We are all only labeling its dimension and the material. Spools, they are spool version in beta phase. We have spool generation. It's with NP create spool dimensions. Once you click the pipe, it automatically gets the dimensions of it. And when you create ND creates ND creates sorry. MP create spool layout. I'm selecting this one. It's in beta phase, but you can try and let us know comments. I mean, normally it's selected. It's the dimensions, its quantity of elbows and the fittings on it are listed here. And this is the label of the spool. It's in beta phase, but as I said, you can try and let us know your comments. We thank you. We thank you. Okay. Thanks, Kobus. We can send you the link for the costs, prices. Okay, then we can finish the workshop.
Show the website.
Yeah. Also, let me show. You can get more information at our website. These are our plugins, and they do detailed information and documentation are in our website also. How to use and user manuals, sample videos. You can reach from here. Okay, then. Thank you very much for your time and see you on our next workshops.